Okay, so today we were supposed to read chapter 17, and afterward, the number, the stars. And this was the first lengthy book, Newbery novel that we were supposed to read. And then your understanding of the novel was really good. I was amazed, and I would really like to commend you on that. I'm really proud of you guys, classmates. Uh, and then there were two discussion questions that we were supposed to answer. The first one was about the interaction between Amory and the soldiers in the woods. So Amory, a little kid, was supposed to deliver a package to Uncle Henrik, and then this would play a pivotal role in the resistance movement against the Nazis and saving the Jewish people and delivering them safely to Sweden. So in the woods, she might have felt the mixture of many different feelings such as fear, anxiety, and also courage and determination. So she might have been overwhelmed because she knew what the consequences would be if she fails to deliver the package. Her life would be in danger, and then the lives of her family and also Rosen family and then all the Jewish people hiding in the boat would have been threatened. So she knew that she had a great mission. But at the same time, she had a sense of duty and determination because she was shared a secret about the resistance movement by Uncle Henrik, and she now knows that she's part of the team. So she wants to contribute to that collective effort. So it shows how much she has grown through the times of tribulations and ordeal and such adversity. Uh, and then the second discussion question was about the special handkerchief and then the creativity that is shown from the people of Denmark. So I never knew what kind of function and what kind of purpose the handkerchief would serve, and I was greatly surprised at chapter 16, and also I was surprised again in the afterword because it told us that it actually happened in history. So I was really amazed how people can become so creative and resourceful during times of need. Uh, so so other historical examples of people being really brave and creative and ingenious happened a lot during war times. During the same period, World War II, in France, the French people invented codes to deliver secret messages while avoiding the eyes of the Nazi Germany. And then another example happened during the civil rights era of the US during Montgomery bus boycott. So one black woman rode on the bus, but she was denied her seat and she thought it was very unfair. So she collected the efforts of the black people in the community and they started refusing to ride the bus. And then that sort of spread all over the South, and even white people joined the movement. And then finally, President Kennedy, he abolished the discriminatory practices at that time. Yeah, and then the Star of David, that is the golden necklace in the shape of a star. It shows the Jewish identity. And then when Ellen is forced to remove the necklace, when the German soldiers stomp into the apartment, means that a person being deprived of her identity, and then that is the most cruel action that can be done to a person. Also, Amory holding onto that necklace very firmly in her hands shows her determination and shows her courage and strength and her willingness to protect her friend who's in need and who's in trouble. So I would guess a friend who helps you during good times is not really cannot be your true friend. But if there is a friend who helps you and stick by your side during the difficult times, that friend is your true friend. Also, the symbol underscores emphasizes the theme of resistance and how Jewish people, tried their best to preserve their identity and their culture. Also, the title Number the Stars is from the Bible verses, right? We talked about this, right? So it's in Psalm 177:4. He, which means the God, determines the number of stars and calls them each by name. And then it's very significant because the God is giving hope to Jewish people not just Jewish people, any group of people who are facing oppression. He's giving them hope, faith, and then if they endure to the end, they can be salvaged. They can be saved. So it's a metaphor for people who are caught in the horrors of World War II and then the Holocaust. And then by saying that, the God numbers each star one by one. So one star represents an individual, and then the infinite value of one individual. So the Nazi killing millions of Jewish people, it was just a horror. It was just a atrocity that should never be repeated again. So this Bible verse and also the title of the book symbolizes how each person is so significant and how each person should be respected. Okay, that's about it. Thank you so much.